As professional cleaners, we are often asked which type of carpet fiber is best. The carpet fiber that is recognized for being the most durable and resilient is a synthetic polymer. It was first introduced by the DuPont company back in 1935. By resilient, we mean that it doesn't mat down and lose its form so easily. It bounces back and looks fresh even under heavy traffic. You see this fiber often. It is used in situations where durability and safety is essential. It is tough. This fiber is easy to clean and is quite resistant to permanent staining. Another advantage is that this fiber can be dyed to many colors. It is nylon. There are different types and qualities of nylon, but all are excellent choices. There are also many other carpet fibers, including low-cost polyester, olefin and wool. There are also carpets that use various blends of fibers. But nylon is hard to beat for appearance and longevity. Most important, if you are wanting carpet that lasts a long time and retains its beauty, remember to schedule regular professional cleaning. We know the best methods to clean every type of carpet fiber, providing a deep clean without damaging the fiber. And that makes all the difference.